Clickolas cage is an AI web browsing agent.
Yeah. Yo, what's up? What's up? Hold up.
Cage is on a journey through the internet. Clickolas cage is autonomous agent.
All right. Clickolas cage dev.
Cage
We're still working out here on this. I'm gonna use cursor. We're gonna dev with AI today. Maybe that's what we were doing this whole time. Oh wait, hold on. Let me just show you guys something. Lokesh, yes, you're first. Maybe. I don't know. I couldn't see anyone who messaged before Buttricks. Good to see you. Some good news. I don't think I told people last stream, but we merged our first community pull request. Thanks to Ark Srivastav. They put a separate utils file for LLM. I think it works well. Brutal Strike also made some pull requests with GitHub Copilot though. They have some like changes that I don't want to incorporate. Like they removed all the comments. Now I don't know if I can edit this myself. They said you can check it out with GitHub. So I don't know. I've never used GitHub CLI. Brew install GH. Let's give it a go. Brew install GH. Did it work? I think so. And then they said git checkout 16. Let's try that. Nope, some issue here. To get started with the DLI, this thing is kind of annoying. It's stuck here. GH off login. Okay, we have to authenticate. Makes sense. GitHub.com. SSH. Which one? What is the difference? I think it's the same thing, just different type. Let's just try the first one. Login with a web browser. I probably need a two-factor. Huh? First copy your one-time code. Enter to open GitHub. Yo, kudos. Thanks for the sub. I got a two-factor here, one sec. And Dursa, thanks for the sub. Wait, oh. Bro, it's so hard to read these. I'm gonna move the next one down here probably. Aioli. No, Albi. There we go. Wait, should I put it? Where should I put this? Here. XX. Thank you. I guess if that's there, we'll move the chat. Oh no, it is. Okay, that's good. Alright, I think I offed. Yep, logged in. Let's try to check that PR out again. Hopefully it'll let me make changes to it. I don't know, we'll see. Timo, thanks for the sub. Yo, Clayball, what's up? Clickolas Cage song, yeah, it's good, man. I got 3 of them. I think this is the last Clickolas Cage one. Gangsta Money Man, what's good? Click, click, click. P-roll. Welcome. Okay, so great, we've got the PR. Now, I think I can open this in like this version control thing by cursor itself and look at the changes here. Yes. And somehow revert all the changes that remove the like these, remove the comments, copy deleted lines. How do we do that? How do we revert? I have no idea. I'm going to use fork. I don't know how to use the version control thing in cursor. Okay, here we can do it really easily with fork. You just kind of highlight what you want to remove. Right click. Oh no, that doesn't work. You can right click the whole file. This is actually probably easier. And do a reset file to before commit. And reset the file, and then here in our changes it would actually come and change everything back. I want to keep these, but yeah, pretty much put the comments back in is what I want to do. We don't really need these comments. We can actually no, we'll keep those. There's one more change I want to do, and that is when there's no provider provided. Oh wait, what? Oh, here. I'm gonna discard these. We'll go re-add comments, and here, provider. When the provider is null, here, we'll go like this, Google. This is called null notation or something, null coalescing. So pretty much what it says is if provider isn't provided, we'll just use Google by default. Pretty simple. And yeah, that should hopefully, now we can check it out. So this commit that Brutal Strike has made with GitHub Copilot should allow us to provide our own API key through the user interface without having to change any code, which is really cool. And it'll also let us change providers from maybe Google to like OpenAI or something. So that's super sick. Let's try run it, see if it actually does what it should. The shit thing about running this is it keeps refreshing all the Chrome instances. So it's like, yo, Flashwebby, what's the time? It's 1 p.m., 1:15 p.m. All right, let's see. So it says we right click and go options. Oh, options. And here we can provide our LLM provider and API key. That's pretty cool. So Google, I'm gonna put this off screen so you guys cannot see my API key. And we'll see if it works. Okay, I've saved it. Let's see. See if this works. Go to YouTube. Might not work. Connection error, OpenAI make request. LLM utils. Okay, didn't work. Let's add a debugger here and try again. See if we can intercept it. Why didn't I get notified? Let's see. Did the notification work? Potentially. I don't know if it's actually notifies or it just highlights. It might not. Oh, I might actually have to change the roles that this guy has. Carlbot roles. Might not actually have permission to tag. Let me double check. Server settings, roles, Carlbot, edit, permissions. Tag everyone. Yeah, mention roles. Yeah, does have members. Does have permissions. Okay. Oh shit, I wasn't. I needed to have the console open before I tried to do this. Go to YouTube. Debug, please. No, I didn't debug. What the fuck? Why doesn't this work? I don't know. I don't really want to debug it too much. Maybe 5 more minutes of debugging. Let's see. Let me quickly add the debug here. Wait, where should I add it? At what point does this get initialized is a great question. Let's go here. Debugger. Because this actually probably gets initialized way too early. Go to YouTube. Great questions, thanks Clayball. Yeah, no, alright, no. I'm not gonna bother debugging this, but I will try push the commit that brings the comments back. Let's see if that works. Because previously, from what I saw, and we'll also have default tag Google provider. Previously, from what I saw, you couldn't actually edit someone else's pull request unless they gave you permission. But it looks like maybe with the GitHub CLI, and if you're the like owner of the repository or something, you can actually change someone's Git pull request. So let's double check that that's the case. Was my commits on this? No. My commits weren't actually updating the pull request. So my push wasn't working? Is it? Yeah. Okay. That sucks. So, oh no. So I make my own branch. That's cool. So I have my own branch which builds off the pull request, but it's separate to the pull request itself. And I don't think I can pull request into a pull request either. That doesn't make sense. Oh wait, I can open a pull request. Oh my god, this is too much. I'm just gonna add it as a comment here. Be like, re-added comments. I don't know. Did that even work? Maybe. I don't know. Maybe that was my network error. What happened? All right, let's get back to the main branch. This is the main branch now, right? Whoa. Main pool. Should be here. Yeah, sweet. Analytics. I think I'm gonna actually delete the logs. And yeah, make better logs. That's pretty much what I'm gonna do. Let's do that real quick. Oh, merge conflict. What's this? What the fuck? Oh, this is when we we'll have when we remove utils. Makes sense. Okay. Hey Rexor, good morning. MWP, hello. I'm doing well. How are you? Okay. We're developing. We're gonna add. So I consulted with ChatGPT, my expert software engineer consultant, and asked him about a better way, because I don't like console logs, especially in the background script. They always get removed, and I needed a better way to save these logs. And I thought a file would be good, because a file you can, not close the whole project, open it back up later, etc. This, that. And so I asked ChatGPT about how I could save some logs into a file. What are my options? And they said local storage, manual export, Chrome storage API, or file system API. So I thought file system API was really cool. So they said use the file system API to create and manage log files directly within the extension. I thought that was really cool, and they gave me, I asked for what the code looks like, and it's something like this. Create object URL. You pretty much just download the object URL, which you store in logs, in a variable. There was also the Chrome storage API, which is very similar to local storage. But yeah, I thought the file system API was going to be great. And I want to see if we can get Cursor to kind of make all the changes itself. So I don't really want to write any of the code, but I don't know if Cursor can write any of the code. So I don't know what the best way, I can't remember the best way to try get Cursor to make changes across multiple files was. Or if it can even do it, it could do it with interpreter mode. Let's see if it can do it with normal chat. I don't know. So I'm gonna say use file system API to store logs. To store logs of all messages to and from LLM calls. Can I be that vague? I hope so. GPT-4 was the default. I'll just try to leave it at GPT-4. We're gonna chat with Codebase, see what it does. See, here's the thing. I'm gonna delete all the logs. It's way too much context. If you look at the repository, you'll see it says it thinks that the file is in Julia, because it's 96% Julia, and what Julia is the format that I've stored these logs in, which is way too big. There's so much random logs here that we don't even need. So I'm pretty much going to delete those for now, and yeah, and then we'll have a cleaner context if we do a code-wide search. So pretty much delete all of these. Delete. Alright, let's try that again. You feel that CodeStrel surpasses GPT-4? Oh, really? I wonder if the eval plus leaderboard is updated. That's kind of what I've been going by, but it's obviously not perfect. Yeah, I keep seeing CodeQuinn. I don't think they've added CodeStrel yet. Really curious to see where they rank that. After asking me 5 questions that may help you to provide more helpful responses. Yeah, definitely, Flashy. That's definitely a better way, a good way to get a better outcome. I want to see if this can do it in one shot though. And also if it can add the files itself. I don't know what that button in the middle does. Does that add it where it needs to go? Or I don't know. To store the logs, you could use FS in Node.js. No, this is not good. This is not good. Not good. Okay. I low-key want to try Aider. Oh shit, I shouldn't have quit that. I don't know, do I have Aider? I do. Do we get a version? Don't have Aider globally here. But we do have a condom, I don't know. Pip install Aider chat. I guess that button inserts a code where your cursor is. Yeah, I think so too, unfortunately. Alright, do we have Aider now? Nope. Why is it like that? Why is I think I need to stop using cursor. I mean, stop using Conda. I wonder what happens if I run Aider without. Okay, good. Wait, can I? Hold on. Let's try to get cursor to debug Aider not working. Debug with AI, what is this gonna do? Yo, Windows SX, hello. Did you stretch today? Yo, what's up? Yo, Nonton, what's up? Software engineer, what's up? We are trying to code on my Chrome extension Clickolas Cage. I'm trying to do it with the help of AI coding tools, but it seems we are having troubles to loading them, which was really sad. How do you? How do you, like, pip not finding global packages or something like that, I think is my issue. Or maybe it's on my path? Export path. Okay. Maybe this. ZSH. Command is installed in your system. So I need to like look at my path. How do I check path of pip installed global package? I guess it says here PyEnv versions 3.12 site packages, and it's trying to look 3.12 bin Python. Aider is a package cannot be directly executed. Pip show aider. I guess it's aider chat. AI that removes seeds from watermelon. Aider chat version. It's not called aider chat though, is it? Yeah, no, I didn't think so. Aider chat location here. Hold on. Let's ask ChatGPT. This is how I'm going to do it. I'm going to go pip show aider chat, pip install aider chat. Hold on. Pip install aider chat. Pip show aider chat. And then aider. Okay. And then ChatGPT fix. Why can't I run aider? It seems it's installed. Check path for Python script. There's no Python here, hey. I should have said note I'm in a Conda environment. Add Python script directly to path. I should do this. Locate the aider executable. Okay. Just make sure it's here. Aider, yep. Add to path. Alright, what about now? Ah, there we go. Man, GPT-4 is great. Why wasn't that in my path? No idea. No idea. Okay, now I'm gonna make sure that we only have the necessary files imported to Aider. So you know, we bit of a better context management. So what do I need? I need LLM utils. I don't think I can just switches in SRC. I'm gonna have to look at the thing. SRC. Oh, it's right there. SRC LLM utils and probably background script. SRC background. JS. Okay, I'm pretty sure we only need to change these. Yeah, maybe. Oh, we can update cursor. Shit, I clicked it. Damn it. I probably should know. Now we have to wait. Try Aider chat? Yeah, I did. Okay, that was quick. That was good. I wonder if Aider is... No, that's good. Hopefully it works here though. No, what the frick? Why isn't the path export permanent? Do I have to put that in ZSH? I probably do. Vim.zshrc path. No other path. Like the path export fixed it. Oh, here, make the change permanent. Just add that to. Why wasn't the Python path in my path? Oh, that's probably an interesting way of. Oops, there's an API key doxed. No, bro, I hate it. I hate doxing my API key. When using things like pyenv, They need to be explicitly added to your path. Why is it a pyenv? Is a good question. Wait, if I go like pip show here, wait, which Python? Okay, pyenv. But if I conda deactivate which Python is different, it's the same. Man, I don't understand. Whatever. Whatever. All right. What are we doing? Yes, Aider, src. We are gonna be trying to get Aider to change these files for me. We'll include content script as well. Are you serious? I think I need to, how do I source? Restart the shell. Probably, like, the conda probably makes no sense. Okay, cool, we have these files. Now I want to use we are editing a Chrome extension. Use the Chrome file API to gather logs that can be exported as a JSON file. The log should be messages every time an LLM/OpenAI call is made inside LLMutils.js. Alright, I'm going to copy this just in case I need to say it again. Let's hope this works. Flashy said get it to ask some clarifying questions. Maybe we should do that. Ask 3 clarifying questions to help you make better decisions before editing code. I don't know if that'll help. Let's see. And our API key is wrong. That's actually good, because hopefully that's the same API key I just doxed, maybe. Let's check SD6 win. Then I hope it's that same one. Yes, it is. Okay, excellent. I'm going to change this API key. Oh, thank God. We could probably listen to some Clickolas gauge, because I know this will take a little while. Which one is it? I don't know why this API keys just take so long to create now.
Clickolas gauge is an AI web browsing agent. Clickolas gauge is on a journey through the internet. Clickolas gauge is
Nice, Rexor. Suno is so fun.
Clickolas gauge search through the world. Click, click, click. It's Clickolas gauge. Click, click. Searching and pay. Scroll, type.
Still waiting. Oh, by the way, Gemini competition. 70 days left. Wait, what? My title didn't update? Dude, the YouTube title is wrong. the fuck? This isn't what I wrote. This isn't what I wrote.
Clickolas cages and AI web browsing agent. Clickolas cages on a journey through the internet. Clickolas cages, autonomous agent. Clickolas cage search through the world. Click, click, click. It's Clickolas cage. Click, click. Surf to new page. Scroll, type, click, 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 click.
Bro, I don't know why OpenAI takes so long to create a key. Why? Should I refresh? I'm gonna refresh. So stupid. So stupid. Yeah, I am using Gemini
Clickolas cages and
for the
AI
competition.
browsing agent. Clickolas cages on a journey through the internet. Clickolas cages, autonomous
Oh, that worked. Okay,
agent.
good.
Clickolas cage search through the world. Click, click, click.
Just click on this cage. Click, click. Surf to new page. Scroll, click, click. Alright. Should work now. So what? Can I see? I'll write the prompt again. I have to write the prompt again. Oh, here it is. Click, click.
It's Clickolas cage. Click, click, click. Surf to new page. Click, scroll, type, click, 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 click.
Okay. To ensure I make the best decision, so we get it to ask some clarifying questions. Where would you like the logs to be stored temporarily before storing them as a JSON? Should we store in memory? On any just in memory is fine. I don't know. I think like we have local storage or just even as a variable, like that's fine. Log content, what do you want to include in the content? That's a great question. To the messages. Payload, which is sent with the OpenAI SDK call. And then 3, how would you like to trigger the export of the logs? Should it be done manually with a blockchain? Yeah, so this is a big important one. Manually trigger export through extensions UI. Ooh, automatically at certain intervals would be cool, but I think since it opens a download like pop-up, it's a bit annoying. So we'll just leave it at that, see what it says. There we go, now it's making its changes. It's added the global variable to store logs in LLM utils, just like I would have expected. And then I wasn't able to read the rest. Okay, let's see. What else did it do? It's couldn't really figure out what it's doing here. Oh, logs.push the messages and then do that. Yeah, well, looks good, I guess. Export the logs in LLM utils. In the pop-up.js, they have an export logs function, and yeah, that actually looks really great. Let's edit. Allow the edits. Applied the edits. Wow. Do you reckon that worked? We will find out. That was really great. That was like pretty perfect. Shout out to Ader. Let's see if that worked though. Failed to parse source because you're invalid JSX. Where? What file? Please tell me. I'm gonna have to manually find out. Okay, so it worked in theory. Wow, it made so many commits though. Oh no, this is the wrong. I needed to pass a flag where it doesn't commit. Because I think it does, yeah. See, editor makes its own commit. Bit annoying, but it is what it is. We can have a look. This looks fine. This actually looks wrong. Let's have a look. So it only changed 2 files, so it shouldn't be too hard to. Looks like it added these imports at the end. I don't know if we can do that, so I'm just going to put them up the top. Okay. I don't know if that'll fix it. I have a feeling it won't. Let's have a look. Okay, yep, it wasn't that one. The issue is in LLM utils.js. Let's see if we can figure it out just by looking here. Yes, it's probably this, line 75. So I guess it only changed one of the yes, it only changed one of the files. We need to get it to refactor it. Let's see if it works. So, okay. So it actually didn't do it perfectly as I thought. There was actually a lot more that needed to be done. So I'm gonna say feedback, you only changed one of the SDK calls. What is the one that it changed? Called, it was called send prompt with feedback. Should we manually say there's more, way more? Send prompt with feedback. Oh shit, no. Okay, good. But there are actually several more similar functions that use the SDK. Make a generic wrapper so they and apply it to all of them so it can log messages every time open AI SDK chat completion is called. All right, let's see. Can I do this? It's changing something up here. OpenAI. Oh, this. Oh yeah, no, that's fine. OpenAI chat completion with logging. OpenAI call retry. OpenAI chat completion model messages. Okay, looks pretty good. Search. Log push. It's still doing this. Better. I think we're making progress. I probably still need to do some manual changing, but it's definitely like saved me a bunch of time, I think. Cool. Let's apply the changes. Let's have a look at the changes. It's only changed one file, right? Yes, LLM utils. Here we go. Completions with logging. Completions with logging. These are the messages, and then okay, that actually makes it a lot simpler. How do I fold? Let's fold all. Excellent. And that's the first one. 42. Let's see this one. Completions with logging, okay, good. 39. Completions with logging, looks good. 41. Completions with logging, 31. Completions with logging. Yeah, looks like it's done all of them. I don't know if it'll run. Let's have a look. Wonder if it fixed its errors as well. Ooh, that's looking good. That's looking good. It looks like it's running. Yo, Bob Dylan, what are we working on? This Chrome extension right here. That's not running. Or maybe I need to refresh it. Yeah, I'm using AI tools to develop this Chrome extension for, here we go. This Chrome extension, it's called Clickolas Cage. You type anything you want into it and it'll surf the web, click buttons, and perform actions for you to complete your goal that you've set it. We're just trying to implement this export logs functionality here. So let's say go to YouTube, and will it still work? I could have broken it. Looks like I might have broken it. Let's see what the error is. Oh, even this network error again. Interesting. I wonder if I can look at the network request. Let's try keep the network tab open. Go to YouTube. Here we go. Model Gemini Flash messages. Role system. You are da da da. This looks good. Looks good. And the response or something, some kind of error. Oh, we haven't been running the gateway. We need a better error for that. So there's a thing that I need to run. Gateway. Because we actually go through a gateway. We don't call these LLMs directly. Hopefully this fixes it. Let's see. Go to YouTube. Yes, excellent. Now let's see if the export logs works. Export logs. Yes! No! Almost. Almost works. Guess those logs haven't been added. Okay, so it's almost working. Wonder if I should debug with... I think that's one thing, like the most annoying thing about software development, and it's also something that these agents aren't very good at, is like debugging stuff that it's not just a simple error message. It's like more complex debugging. That's the most cool thing we should work on. Like yeah. Yo, Flashy, you're back. What did you miss? We used Aider. Aider made 2 commits to create like this logging mechanism that saves logs, but the export isn't working. Yo, Bob Dylan, thanks for following. Ray, so you're working on this alone? Mostly, yeah, but it's open source and I've opened it up to the community, and we got our first pull request merge. When was it? On June 1st, 2 days ago. Shout out to Ratatouille, aka Arc. And yeah. So yeah, anyone's more than welcome to help build this, and I will be paying people who have helped if we win money from the Gemini competition. All right, we need to debug these logs getting saved. Let's brainstorm. Cursor. Dude, they changed the cursor logo. Did you guys notice? Whoa, they changed our whole landing page. Look at that. I guess they must have had a big update. It used to be just a arrow, but now it's like a cube arrow. So sick. Think. Logs. Okay, so the logs are here. Where is export logs? Export logs is in the pop-up. And it calls LLM utils. Okay. Logs.json. Logs. I'm thinking we might need to change it to be Bob Dylan wants a link for Clickolas cage. Yeah, man, I got you, Bob. I think we need to change it because right now it's storing the logs as an array variable in this utils JavaScript file, but it's trying to export it from within this React component, and I just don't think that we can work like that. So I'm gonna try to consult with ChatGPT/Aider to see if they can help me fix it. Be like, I think there is some issue. The logs are always downloading as an empty array. I think there is an issue with storing them in a JavaScript file such as llmutils.js and calling it from the React popup.jsx. What do you think about this? And what steps can we take to make sure logs are saved in the best way? Okay, storing logs in JavaScript file and accessing from React can indeed lead to issues, especially with state management. Quickly to do this, let's use chrome.storage so it persists. And then it went ahead and changed everything. Didn't even ask me if I wanted to apply the changes, but yeah, I don't know. Let's see if it works. I guess we didn't really have a choice. Let's say go to Reddit. Sweet, went to Reddit. Did it save logs? Maybe we need to wait as well. It should save them as soon as it now the button isn't even working. Do we get an error? Logs is not defined in LLM utils export logs. Okay. Should we just give it the? Let's just give it the error. Error. Ooh, reference error. Yeah, whatever. That it'll understand. Fix this. It's gonna do stuff. It's not really easy to read this diff. It should have highlighted colors where it's removed or added stuff. I don't think it actually changed this. So what does it change? Storage. Oh. Chrome local storage. All right, let's see if that is something for me to do. Yes, okay. We'll just do that myself. Instead of blob, we're going to use local storage and refresh. The cursor update notification popped up midstream. Oh, really? They pushed it midstream? That's crazy. How's Aider? Yeah, so good. It's one of my favorite, if not probably my favorite AI coding tool. What the 17 problems? What do you mean 17 problems? I was using it and thinking it's actually one of the best. Yeah, exactly, man. It's definitely one of the best. Have you tried Mentat? It's very similar. And then Cursor is like a good all-round experience. All right, let's keep trying this. Go to Reddit. Let's go into Reddit. Export logs. Yes, we actually exported logs. Let's see. Yes, guys, we got logs. Oh, fuck yes. Oh, we didn't get the response though. That's a good start though. That's a great start. I think I have to commit this as well. Fix log export. Delete old logs. Push. Okay, really good. Really happy with that. Can it type? Can Clickolas Cage type? I think so. You want to test it? Let's see. What's that notepad? Here. Let's say go to notepad.js.org and type hello world inside the page. Let's see if we can do it. Let's go to notepad. Okay. Interesting. It might not click where it should though. So at the moment it's pressing tab to see what buttons are available, but it's only doing it a certain amount of times. And I don't think it's actually seeing the page itself. So theoretically it can type, but with its current configuration, it's not going to be easy for it to type. Let's see if it persisted the logs from, oh wow, so cool. Persisted a lot of these logs. I'm going to just keep talking to Ada. We're going to make some more changes. Add another button to clear the logs in Chrome storage. Or should it clear every time you export? No. Wow, it's added a lot of code. Customer updates every week. Oh, sick. That's really cool. Okay, I think we've got the clear logs. Now? No, we don't. Do we need to refresh? Or did it just not? Sometimes it just doesn't add the edits, it seems. Like it normally says when it's added the edits. Implement the edits listed above in the correct format. I think because Ada expects it to return in a specific format to know that it should edit the file, but sometimes it doesn't do it. So it's like either we can do this manually, or alright, I might as well do it manually. Shouldn't be too hard. Wait, where do we want it from? Here, clear logs from here. Pop-up JS. Wait, what? Oh yeah, here. I think. Yeah, that looks good. And what other file did we change? This one. This is also pop-up. Oh no, this is before. This one. Export logs in LLM utils. Oh, only 2 changes. LLM utils export logs. from, hold up, where from? Just the file itself, including the comments. Cool. Let's see. Now we should have clear logs and export logs. Yes, we do. Let's get them to be similar styling. Now, Aider, actually, I'm pretty sure Aider is the one that styled these submit and input box. But it's just like prompting for styling is so interesting because it's so much different than prompting for functionality. It's kind of like you have to specify what you want. So I'm gonna say in, I think how do we pop up, add pop up, pop up, why isn't pop up? Pop up, wait, what's the file actually called? Pop up JSX, yeah, what the fuck? Pop up .jsx, it's, I don't know, style the new logs buttons in the pop-up component to be similar to the submit button with some margin under it and combine taking the same width. I hope that makes sense. Alright, there we go. It's added styling. Hopefully it actually adds it this time. Yes! See, when it says this, add these files to the... oh no, that's not the wrong one. CSS. It gives a message when it actually changes it. It's lagging? Let's have a look. Clickolas gate is a oh, why is it going? Is it going in circles now? Oh, it's not too bad. It's not lagging for me. But it is very delayed, which is a bit sad. Did your pull request go through? Yeah, click a brutal strike actually. We could test that now. Seems like Aider is going in circles. So I tried to edit your at the very start of this stream. I edited your pull request in my own branch. Actually, let's see. We've got pending changes. Oh, clear logs. No, let's keep this. So yeah, I used the GitHub CLI to actually check out your branch, which is really cool. And I re-added my comments that your GitHub Copilot removed, and also made the default provider Google. But I didn't actually get to test it because I thought it was broken, but it was actually probably because my gateway wasn't running. So let's test it. Go to YouTube. Oh, actually, I need to change the key in the options. I don't know if it persists. Looks like it doesn't persist. So you go into options here. Oh no, it does persist. Okay, so maybe it doesn't work. What was it? API error generate body. I don't know what the actual error is. Bad request. Looks like we've got a bad request error. Port key or port key provider is required. So we're missing something in the head, I think. Let's have a look at what we changed. API key. API key. I don't know. I don't know what we changed. Provider. Is it the provider? I don't know. I don't know, man. Who's good at rapping? Yeah. But that's cool. I did what I wanted to do this stream. We've got analytics now in a file. I just need to style it. We don't need to style it too badly. But yeah, really happy with that. So next step, we're going to be working on improving creating the Google Calendar with Clickolas Cage. Now that we have save logs to file. Now that we have logs saved to file, it's going to be a lot easier to kind of track everything. Yeah, so I'm really happy with that, and we're gonna keep powering on, experiment to get reliable Google Calendar creation. That's what I'm gonna work on next. What I did right now was I guess I already closed it. Something about analytics. Yeah, that's good. Because yeah, the console log method was just really annoying. So I think just having them in a JSON file like this, it's really good. We can really clearly see exactly what messages went to the LLM. We can't really see the response too well. Like right now, see, you can see there's a lot of these new lines. Probably don't need that many new lines. We could probably save a lot of tokens by removing repetitive new lines, for instance. Just stuff like that, optimizing the flow, improving it. Now that we have these logs, it's going to help a lot. Yeah. Oh, Flashy, yeah, your Discord bot with the summarizer. That's cool, man. You made that in a day. Well done. So you need a server for it to run all the time. You can do AWS free tier. It is a bit tricky to use, but you can run, and also the free tier computers aren't that strong, but you could run a free tier AWS server all year, theoretically. All right, I think I'm gonna go for lunch. Thanks for tuning in, guys. Did we have anyone say anything on Discord since I went live? Nope. That's cool. Shout out Rexer. Shout out Flashy. Shout out Brutal Strike. Thank you, guys. Your Discord bot? Yes. Yeah, we'll do an outro with some music. Thanks so much for watching, guys. I'll see you later. Bloody Dylan, thank you. Oh, Bob Dylan, sorry. Bloody Dylan. Thanks for following as well.
Browsing agent, Clickolas Cages on a journey through the internet. Clickolas Cages, autonomous agent. Clickolas Cage search through the world. Click, 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 it's Clickolas Cage. Click, click. Click, click.